All right, tell us what's the name of this place, dude. You're gonna be on my show. What's the name of this place?
Smoothie King.
What do y'all do here?
Make smoothies.
What kind of smoothie?
The greatest kind you ever get.
You put vodka in there, rum, or?
It's a little extra.
I don't mind. I want mine with rum. Okay. What kind do you want?
Let me get a medium peach slice plus. Yeah, and let me get no powdered milk.
Oh wow.
But let me get 2 scoops of yogurt.
Don't forget Arnold's.
And let me get no papaya.
Wow.
Blueberry instead.
Wow.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. You gonna order one for Arnold or what?
Huh?
You gotta order one for Uncle Arnold. All right. What do you put in that thing, dude? All kinds of crap. Oh my God. Wow. Where's the rum? Wow. It's pretty good. All right. This is Smoothie King on Larry's Reality TV Show. How about that?